2019 EXL. You can see the fender is bent. The part of the front frame is bent. The front bumper reinforcement is bent. The bumper is already the garbage. You can't do anything with it. The windshield water reservoir is broken. We'll replace it. Radiator core support is bent too, it will be replaced, and the bumper reinforcement is bent also. The frame here is bent. There are a few damaged plastics. Steering wheel airbag was deployed. The rest of the airbags are intact. This is how the dashboard looks like. As I say, this from 2019. Have only 977 miles. Charging system problem. We have start button, alloy wheels. Automatic. So the rear seat looks like in great condition, brand new car. This is what we have in the front. The grille looks in good condition. We're gonna use it. Also, we have the light. This is one of the fog lights. It looks good too. This front light, but it's broken. We're gonna replace it. Now let's start to take everything apart.